In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. And this is the exact strategy that have helped someone like you and me to grow their account from $50 to $5,000. So watch this video very carefully because this strategy is going to be one of the important strategies that you will be using in your upcoming days. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. But before starting, one thing you need to keep in mind: most people fail while trading binary options, okay? And there's only one reason, one main reason that I see why people fail. And if you avoid that thing, then you'll increase your chance of success while trading binary options, okay? So most people, what they do is they think they just use one strategy, okay? In each day they use that one strategy while trading binary options. Now what happens is, no matter whichever indicator you use, whichever strategy you use, it will not work for 100% of the time, okay? No any strategy will work for the 100% of the time. So what you need to do is you need to load up with some few strategies, okay, that is working for you, okay? Like 4 strategies, 5 strategies that you need to have that properly in your mind, okay? Basic strategies, okay? And if you want to learn about this strategy, you can watch lots of my videos, okay? I'm only making videos related to trading binary options, okay? All of those strategies you can find, and you can load up your mind with those strategies, okay? And before trading in real account, firstly test in demo account each of those strategies that you have in mind, okay? And at particular time, whenever you are trading, which strategy is giving you most positive result, use that strategy to trade on real account, okay? And you will increase your chance of success while trading binary options if you follow this thing. Okay, so now let's talk about our simple and easy strategy that is extremely profitable. Okay, so firstly, what you need to do is you need to select the currency pair, make all of those favorites wherever you want, whichever currency pair you want to make trade on, make those favorites, okay? So I would suggest you to use this kind of currency pair, okay, which doesn't have OTC, okay, but you can use the OTC market too, but I would suggest you to use this kind of currency pair which doesn't have OTC, but currently they have so much low payout, so that's why I'm not showing you in there, okay? And once you make all of these currency pair favorite, then it will appear at here, and then select this candle and make it 5 second, okay? Once you do this much, then our trading time frame would be 15 second. Our chart is 5 second, okay? Our time frame of this candle is 5 second, and our trading time frame is 15 second, okay? So now with this strategy, I would suggest you to go with low amount of investment, okay? Like $5, $10 per investment, because we are going to make some express trade. That's why use the low investment amount, okay? And firstly, you can test this strategy properly in your demo account, and if it is working for you, then only use it in your real account, okay? Always remember that. And then you just click on here and then click on Bollinger Bands, okay? And then just click on this pencil icon. Bollinger Band is implemented at here. Just click on this pencil icon, and in period just type 14, okay? And then click on save. So now you will see Bollinger Band like this, okay? So now the strategy is extremely simple, okay? So whenever the market is going outside of this Bollinger Bands rapidly, okay, not like this, okay, for short time it have gone out, not this kind of, it should go rapidly outside, okay? And whenever it closes inside, okay, with this red candle, then after that candle you can make trade by clicking on lower in 15-second time frame, okay? Similarly, here also you can see it have gone rapidly outside and it have closed inside, okay? This red candle have closed inside. Now you can make trade by clicking on lower in this candle, okay, in 15-second time frame, okay? And your trade would go right. Similarly, if you see at here also, it have rapidly been down and one candle have inserted inside. Now in this candle you can make trade by clicking on higher, but most probably you will go wrong in this trade. Now 100% of your trade are not going to be right, okay? That is also true, but most of your trade are going to be right. So it is also going rapidly out, okay, and it have closed inside. Now here you can make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, if you see in other places also, it works in the same format, like it has gone inside, okay, so it is outside, okay, it have gone inside. Now you can make trade by clicking on higher at here. So in the same way, okay, you can keep on making trade by clicking on lower and higher by using this strategy. Now I'll show you by making some trade. So as you can see, it has been outside. Okay, now if this goes inside, then I can easily make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so let's wait for some time so that this goes inside. Okay, so now I can click on higher and make a trade, and I hope this trade goes right. Okay, so let's see what happens. So as you can see, we have won this trade. So in this way, you can keep on making trade on 5-second candlestick and 15-second trading time frame. So guys, please do like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.